Hey everyone, welcome back to the car AGG classic design, raw power, and undeniable presence. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic American trucks of the 20th century, the 1969 Chevrolet C10 pickup. Whether you're a collector, a restomod enthusiast, or just a fan of vintage iron, this truck still turns heads more than 50 years later. Exterior. The 69 C10 was part of Chevrolet's second-generation CK series, produced from 1967 to 1972. This generation is often hailed as the birth of the modern pickup, combining rugged utility with car-like styling. Up front, you'll notice the distinct egg crate grille, a design update unique to the 1969 model year. Paired with dual round headlights and a bold Chevrolet script across the nose, the C10 has a face that's instantly recognizable. The body lines are clean and muscular, uncluttered but confident. Many models came with chrome trim, rally wheels, and optional two-tone paint schemes that added a splash of style to this working-class hero. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with simplicity, but also charm. The interior of the 1969 C10 is all about functionality with just a hint of flair. The dash is a steel slab, painted to match the exterior, with a large, easy-to-read speedometer in front of a three-spoke steering wheel. Gauges are minimal, but the essentials are all there. Most C10s came with a vinyl bench seat, though custom builds often upgrade to leather or cloth upholstery. There's room for 3 across, though you'll want to call shotgun if you're riding for long. Performance. Under the hood, the 1969 C10 offered a range of engines, from economical straight 6s to powerful version 8s. The most popular choice. The 350 cubic inch small block V8, making around 255 horsepower. Mated to either a 3-speed manual, 4-speed, or a 3-speed turbo hydromatic automatic, the C10 delivers respectable performance for its era. And thanks to its independent front suspension, a rarity among trucks at the time, it rides smoother than most competitors. Rear-wheel drive was standard, but you could spec a 4x4K10 if you needed more traction. Handling is light for a truck this size, though don't expect sports car agility. The 1969 Chevrolet C10 is more than just a pickup, it's a rolling piece of Americana. It represents a time when trucks were built tough, designed beautifully, and engineered to last. Whether restored to original spec, slammed to the pavement in a custom build, or preserved as a survivor, the C10's legacy is undeniable. It's a truck that bridges the gap between work and style, muscle and utility. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1969 Chevy C10, hit that like button, subscribe for more classic car content, and drop a comment below. What's your dream C10 build? Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next ride.